Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I filmed. It's been like a month. I have just been kind of busy. Work's been kind of stressful and I haven't bought any new albums. I mean, I've been buying Jimin's albums. I've been trying to collect anything I can of Jimin. He's not my alt. That's just how it's gonna be. He's my alt and Suga is just number 2. Maybe I have 2 alts. I don't know. But I've been really into BTS like hard lately. Their concert is like 100 days away and that is insane. But I thought I would DIY a binder and then show you. I don't like it. I don't like this at all and I think I want to get a different one. I tried to put a top loader right here and it didn't work. I used super glue, just like Gorilla Glue, and the top loader, like it would not dry. So then I had to put the paper here. And then this is from his Muse album, from the yellow one. And I was like, okay, well, what will this look like if I put it here? But there was glue here, apparently, so then that was stuck there. And then these are stickers. Like, this one's on the outside. These I have on the inside. I have those on the inside. They seem okay. I have more from the blue version. Like, you can see the glue, and I hate that. I hate this. So I want to get a different binder. Like, obviously I know these would be trash at that point, but whatever. I have been trying to organize. Oh, so sorry for all the dog hair. Again, I have 3 dogs and their hair gets everywhere. Anyway, these are from his Face album. Oh, I love this one. And I was watching one of his videos the other day and he was explaining how, like, you look at his books, he wanted to show his back tattoo, so like he has all the moons, like the moon phase, and it's like right in the seam of the book. He was like laughing about it, like you could tell it was kind of like, wow, okay. But I never noticed it. Like I looked at the book, but it just never registered. This is from Proof, so I have all of like his tiny little photo things. Like that's one from Ari Wrong, and then Face. And it was into Muse. These are from Muse. I don't remember which one. Where did I get this from? Maybe I didn't take everything out of this album that I got. It's like, I don't remember. I know these are from Muse, but I just don't remember what part. And I was into photocards, so I do have it by like his solo work first and Face was first. I think this was 2023, I believe. More Face album PCs. That light is like, there's so much glare, so I'll do this. And then here is from Muse. I believe I got this one. I think I got this one in the vinyl. And this is from the blue and this is from the yellow. And then I go into just regular album PCs. I did put an OT7 one here. Here's his little message thing from Butter. Sleeping Jimin. And then I bought these 3 from the same seller on Mercari because I bought his Me Myself little book thing, which I didn't realize each member has one, so I did find Suga and I did buy him. Next is V, because V is also one of my biases. I think I'm going to just be OT7 with a preference, I guess. I love all of them. They're all talented and I love all of their solo work because V, his voice, it makes me cry. Every time I hear him sing, I cry. His solo work is amazing. I found this one. I think I only spent like $6 or $7 on it. But I saw some people posting this for like $30 to $40. Oh, there is a PC that I want. It's from B. I think it's actually a lucky draw. So I understand it being expensive, but I found it on eBay for $700. I was like, that is insane, and I'm not spending $700 on a PC. Here is Ariel. And here are Lomos. I really like them, so I just added them in here. And then I made these Lomos. I have a little printer, and I made these Lomos. I don't know if that's allowed, but I'm not selling them. They're for myself. I love them. His cotton candy or unicorn hair, whatever you want to call it, is like one of my favorite looks. I'm okay with his long hair as long as it's up like that. If it is all down, I can't. My friend ruined it. She called him Sarah Connor from Terminator, and it ruined it for me because I was digging it. I was here for it. But that is all I have for Jimin. I have more stuff on the way. I'm just waiting. It was supposed to be here today, but now it's not going to be here until Monday because it's Saturday. But that is everything. So thank you all for watching this little binder video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!